So find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points are 2, 3 and 4, 7 here. So you know the formula, midpoint formula. So AX1, and BX2, these are the two endpoints of the line here, line segment, and P is a midpoint of AB. In that case, coordinate of point P is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 here. So it is called a midpoint of formula. So they are given 2 points here. Okay, take your solution. A into bracket 2, 3 and B 4, 7. These are given points here. These are given points. Let P be the midpoint of AB. Let P be the midpoint of the line segment AB. P ಏನಪ್ಪ AB line segment the midpoint ಮಧ್ಯ ಬಿಂದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Therefore using the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, x coordinate ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೊದಲು 2 plus 4 divided by 2 here. 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Then take y coordinates 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 divided by 2 here. Yes, so this is equal to 4 plus 2 becomes 6 here divided by 2. 3 plus 7 which becomes 10 here. 10 divided by 2 here. Therefore this equal to 6 upon 2 becomes 3. 10 upon 2 becomes 5 here. So this is a midpoint of the line segment joining the points here. Okay, this is the solution here. So even this is also same type example here. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6 minus 8 here. So take 2 points here and P is the midpoint of AB. Therefore use the midpoint formula. Minus 3 plus 6 here. Minus 3 plus 6 divided by 2 here. Then 10 plus minus 8 here. Divided by 2 here. Divided by 2. Therefore this equal to, so one is positive, the other one is negative. Subtract each other. 6 minus 3 becomes 3 here. Divided by 2. Because the bigger number is 6 here. Behind sign plus, so it is plus sign here. 3 upon 2. Then in this case, plus into minus becomes a minus here. 10 minus 8 gives here 2 divided by 2. Even here also, bigger number is 10, behind sign plus, so plus here. Therefore 2 and this 2 cancels here. As this equal to 3 divided by 2, comma 1 here. So this is a midpoint of the line segment AB. Okay. So 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram 1, 2, 2, 3 and 8, 5. Find the fourth vertex. Okay. ಸಮಾಂತರ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ. ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ. So A, B, C and D. These are the vertices of a parallelogram. A, B, C, D ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜದ ಬಿಂದುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅವರಾಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ A 1, 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Coordinate of B 2, 3. Coordinate of C as 8, 5. 8, 5. You don't know the fourth vertex. In fourth vertex, ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, A ಮತ್ತು B ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ. Okay. So AC is a diagonal here, and BD is a one more diagonal. Diagonal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಣಗಳು. ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. AC ಈ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. Therefore so take here interrogator 1 comma 2 here. The point B 2 3 and the point C 8 5 be the three vertices of a parallelogram. Three vertices of a parallelogram. ಈ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜದ ಮೂರು ಬಿಂದುಗಳಾದ. ಈಗ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಬಿಂದು ಲೆಟ್ ಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಗೆಟರ್ a comma b be the fourth vertex here. Fourth vertex. Okay. So here AC and BD are diagonals here. Therefore, in a parallelogram, diagonals are bisect each other. Okay. In a parallelogram, diagonals are bisect each other. Bisect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಅರ್ಧಿಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಧಿಸೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸಿ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ಣ ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕರ್ಣ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅರ್ಧಿಸುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದು ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಸಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಬಿಡಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅರ್ಧಿಸುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, diagonals are bisect each other. Therefore, midpoint of BD. Therefore, midpoint of the diagonal BD is equal to midpoint of diagonal AC. Midpoint of the diagonal AC. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ BD ಯ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬಿಂದು is equal to AC ಯ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬಿಂದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ diagonals are bisect each other ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅರ್ಧಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ, BD ಯ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬಿಂದು is equal to AC ಯ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬಿಂದು ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ ನಾವು. So midpoint formula is a midpoint formula. Midpoint of BD according to the formula a plus 2 divided by 2, a plus 2 divided by 2, comma, then b plus 3 divided by 2, b plus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to midpoint of AC 1 plus 8 divided by 2, comma, then 2 plus 5 divided by 2, divided by 2. Therefore, equating x and y coordinates, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಮತ್ತು y coordinate ಅನ್ನು equate ಮಾಡಿ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಸಮವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 plus 8 upon 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Therefore, a plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 8 divided by 2. Equating x coordinate. Similarly, equating y coordinates. Y coordinate equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. b plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus 5 divided by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ here also you can cancel the denominator terms 2 here. Now you simplify a plus 2. A plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 becomes 9 here. Then b plus 3. b plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 5 becomes 7 here. Take this 2 to right side here. Therefore, a is equal to 9 minus 2 here. 9 minus 2. and B is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 yes, A is equal to 9 minus 2 becomes 7. B is equal to 7 minus 3 becomes 4 here. Yes, coordinate of point D is 7 comma 4 here. Yes, so fourth vertex is 7 4 is the answer. Therefore, in a parallelogram, diagonals are bisect each other. Even in a rectangles are rectangle ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಆಯತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದು ಸಹಿತ ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅರ್ಧಿಸುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಎ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ diagonals are bisect each other. Even in a square also ವರ್ಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ವರ್ಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಸಮನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಸಹಿತ ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅರ್ಧಿಸುತ್ತವೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೆಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಓಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೆಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯತ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಗ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅರ್ಧಿಸುತ್ತವೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ diagonals are bisect each other. Remember it here. Diagonals bisect each other means diagonal midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. Remember it here. Okay, so prove that the points are minus 2 1 4 0 3 3 and minus 3 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram here. You just to prove the diagonals are bisect each other. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ diagonals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅರ್ಧಿಸುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ parallelogram ಇಂದ vertices ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ -2 -1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ coordinate of B ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 4 0 coordinate of point C as 3 3 coordinate of the point D as minus 3 2 okay you know that in a parallelogram diagonals are bisect each other okay therefore so take your solution let A into bracket minus 2 1 here so A B C and D are the given points here find your midpoint of AC midpoint of the diagonal AC is equal to take point A and C here. Okay, minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2 here minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 that is equal to here 3 minus 2 becomes 1 so 1 upon 2 here and 3 minus 1 is 2 2 and 2 cancels here remaining is 1 here similarly midpoint of the diagonal BD here midpoint of the diagonal BD is minus 3 plus 4 here minus 3 plus 4 divided by 2 2 plus 0 2 plus 0 divided by 2 here 4 minus 3 becomes 1 here so 1 upon 2 2 and 2 cancels remaining is 1 here so let observe both are same parts here therefore midpoint of AC therefore midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BDF. Therefore, diagonals are bisect each other. Therefore, diagonals are bisect each other. Diagonals are bisect each other. Yes, given points are vertices of a parallelogram. Therefore, given points are vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, the line joining the points are 5 minus 6 and minus the 3 4 here. So this is a line segment here. Take a point A and B here. Coordinate of A is 5 minus 6. Coordinate of B minus 3 4 here. It is a line segment here. The line joining the points 5 minus 6 and minus 3 4 is a trisected. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. The line divided into 3 equal parts here. Consider these are the points of P and Q here. These are called trisection points. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ P ಮತ್ತು Q ಬಿಂದುಗಳು AB ಅನ್ನ ಮೂರು ಸಮ ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ಸಮ ಅಂತರದೊಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮನಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AP ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ PQ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. PQ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ QB ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Hence, these 2 points are called trisection points here. You find the coordinate of a point P and Q here. Okay. Therefore, let A into bracket 5 minus 6 and B into bracket minus 3 4. Okay. Be the given points here. Be the given points. Let P and Q be the trisection points. Be the trisection points. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು P ಮತ್ತು Q coordinates ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Okay. You just observe here. This is one part, this is one part, and this one part. Consider point P and AB here. So P divides AB. Internally in the ratio 1:2 here. Okay, because here is 2 parts here. Here is only 1 part. All the distances are equal here. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Hence, we can write P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2 here. So P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2 here. Therefore, coordinate of the point P here. Okay, use this section formula only. Therefore, 1 into, for take only x coordinate here. 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 5. 2 into 5 divided by 1 plus 2 here. So, right here 1 plus 2, comma. Then you take a y coordinate here. 1 into 4. 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 6 here. 2 into minus 6 divided by 1 plus 2 here. Therefore, this is equal to 3 ones are 3 here. Minus of 3 here. 5 plus 2 becomes 7 here. Divided by 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Then 4 ones are 4 here. 2 6s are 12. Minus 12 divided by 3 here. Therefore, this is equal to 7 minus 3 becomes 4 here. So 4 divided by 3. 4 minus 12 minus of 8 here. Minus of 8 divided by 3. So this is a coordinate of point P here. And Q divides AB internally in the ratio just observe here. Here Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1 here. Here it is a 2 part and here it is only 1 part here. So Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 here. Again use the section formula. So Q is equal to 2 into minus 3 here. 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5 divided by 2 plus 1 here, comma. Then 2 into 4. 2 into 4, then plus here. 1 into minus 6. 1 into minus 6 divided by 2 plus 1 here. Therefore, this equal to 2 3s are 6 here, minus 6 plus 5 1s are 5 divided by 3 here. 4 2s are 8 and 6 1s are 6 here, minus 6 divided by 3 here. That is equal to, so minus 6 plus 5 gives a minus 1 here. Minus 1 upon 3. 8 minus 6 is a minus 2 here. Minus 2 divided by 3 here. So 8 minus 6 plus here. Not minus here. Is a plus 6. Plus 2. 8 minus 6 is a 2 upon 3 here. Minus 1 upon 3. 2 upon 3. So this is a quadrant of quadrant here. So therefore this and this one. Both are trisection points here. It divides AB into 3 equal parts here. Hence these are called trisection points.